So u, v, w be unit vectors such that u bar plus v bar plus w bar is a bar, u bar cross v bar cross w bar is b bar, u bar cross v bar cross w bar is what? C bar is given. A dot is 3 by 2, A dot B is 7 by 4. So magnitude of A is what? 2 is given. So let us find first A dot U is given, A dot V is given. A dot W can calculate using this data. So what is given? What is given? U bar plus V bar plus W bar is given A bar. Take dot product with A bar both sides. Take dot product with A bar. A dot U, A dot V and A dot W equal to A dot A. So that A dot U they are given 3 by 2. A dot V 7 by 4. We are going to find A dot W. So A dot A is magnitude of A square. But magnitude of A is given 2. So 2 square means 4. So let us calculate A dot W. A dot W equal to 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 4. This will give 16 minus 6 minus 7 by 4. So this value is 3 by 4. So you got A dot W as 3 by 4. So now our job is to calculate the values of u, v, w. So but they are given b bar in terms of u, v, w. C bar is u, v, w given. If you apply cross product, product of three vectors, v dot u dot w will come, u dot v comes here, and v dot w also comes here. So let us take u dot v equal to some x, the scalar, v dot w equal to some y, and w dot u equal to some z you can assume. And solve xyz values, we'll get the values b bar and c bar directly. So let us go for solving. So once you write data, they are given u bar, v bar, w bar are unit vectors. So that magnitude is 1. That is one data. And a dot u is given as 3 by 2. A dot v is given as 7 by 4. So we got a dot w as 3 by 4. And what else which we take? So now we are assume as let u dot v equal to x and v dot w equal to y and w dot u equal to z you can assume. And further they are given a bar equal to u bar plus v bar plus w bar is given. So because you know a dot u, so a dot u you know. So now you can take dot product with u on both the sides. Dot product with u on both the sides. So this will give a dot u plus u dot v plus so u dot w. I'm taking u dot with u. So that means a dot u what is given 3 by 2 u dot u magnitude of u whole square plus so u dot v is what you are taken x and u dot w are taken as z. So that 3 by 2 equal to 1 plus x plus z. So x plus z is 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. This is x plus z value. The same manner you can go for taking so a bar equal to u bar plus v bar plus w bar. So take the dot product with v bar. So that means u dot v plus v dot v plus w dot v. Next you can take a bar, take dot product, a bar is u bar plus v bar plus w bar. So take with w bar dot product, this will be u dot w plus v dot w plus w dot w comes here. So now here a dot v what comes 7 by 4 equal to u dot v. U dot v I taken x, v dot v magnitude of v square and w dot v is y. So now 7 by 4 minus 1 because magnitude of v is what? 1 equal to x plus y. So that x plus y equal to 3 by 4. This is x plus y, you got it here. X plus y equal to 3 by 4. Now here a dot w we got as 3 by 4. U dot w is z and v dot w is y and w dot w magnitude of w whole square. So this is 1. So therefore 3 by 4 minus 1 equal to y plus z. So y plus z equal to minus 1 by 4. We got these values. So let us going to calculate x, y, z values here from this is take equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Go to next page. So you got x plus y as 3 by 4. Take equation 1. Y plus z. What you get here? Y plus z minus 1 by 4. Equation 2. And z plus x. And z plus x, what you get here? X plus z is 1 by 2. This is equation 3. So go back once. So this is equation 3 according to that one. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Like that. Okay. Order is important. So now let us solve it here. Now first what you will do means add all three. 1 plus 2 plus 3 can add it. So that we'll get 2 times x, because adding 3 is x to x, y to y, z to z. So equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So 2 times x plus y plus z equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 times x plus y plus z equal to 1. So that x plus y plus z equal to 1 by 2. We got it like this. So now this is equation 4. So that means you can do 4 minus 1. You will get what value? If you take 4 minus 1, these two subtract. So x plus y cancel. Z equal to 4 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So this will give z value as minus, okay, LCM 2 na 4 na 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 4. So therefore z value minus 1 by 4, you got it here. Now 4 minus 2 you can take. So what is cancel? Y plus z cancel, get x. So x equal to 1 by 2 minus half minus plus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. X is 3 by 4, you got it here. Next 4 minus 3 you can take it. If you take 4 minus 3, so what is cancel? X and z cancel, get y. Only left out that one. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 0. So y value 0, you got it here. Now we are going to solve the what values? So u bar, v bar, w bar in terms of a, b, c. Okay, let us start with c bar. What is c bar is given? C bar equal to u bar cross v bar cross w bar. So you can use formula. So that is what comes here, u dot w, that is w dot u into v minus, so minus w dot v into u bar comes here. So u dot w, what you are taken? U dot w as z v bar minus u dot v is y u bar. This is c bar. Okay, next place c bar equal to, and keep the values, x value 3 by 4, y value minus 1 by 4. Sorry, x value 3 by 4, y value 0, and z value minus 1 by 4. And c bar you got as z v bar minus y u bar. Okay. So what is x? X is, we got x value 3 by 4 and y value which is 0 and z value which is minus 1 by 4. We got it. Once we check values, z value minus 1 by 4, x value 3 by 4, y value 0. We got it here. Now x is nothing but what you are taken, x is u dot v. Y is what you can take, v dot w, that is 0. And z is what they are taken, which is w dot u, that is minus 1 by 4. So what you get, c bar equal to the previous step, c bar equal to z v bar minus y u bar, z v bar minus y u bar. So because y value 0, c bar equal to what is z? Z is minus 1 by 4 into v minus 0. So that v equal to minus 4c. You got the value of v is minus 4c. Now you want u bar and w bar. So they are given further, b bar equal to, what is given? B bar equal to u bar cross v bar cross w bar is given. So this using product of 4 vectors, u bar dot w bar into v bar minus u dot v into w bar. So b bar equal to u dot v. U dot v is x. X v bar minus u dot w. So u dot v, sorry, u dot, so first u dot w is z, sorry, this is z v bar minus u dot v is x w bar, but z value minus 1 by 4, v value minus 4c from this step. So x value 3 by 4 into w bar, 4 cancel. So b bar equal to c bar minus 3 by 4 w bar. So 3 by 4 w bar equal to c minus b. Therefore w bar equal to 4 by 3 into c minus b. That is value of w bar, you got it here. So v bar got, w bar got. So next what you want? We want, what you want? You want only u bar is left out. But they are given a bar equal to u bar plus v bar plus w bar. So that u bar equal to a bar minus v bar minus w bar. A bar, v bar is plus 4c bar, minus 4c minus minus plus 4c bar, w bar is 4 by 3 c bar minus a bar. So if you simplify this one, 3 LCM, so 3a bar plus 12c bar minus 4c plus 4b bar comes here. So after simplification, we'll get 3a bar plus 4b bar minus 12 minus 4, that is 8c bar by 3. That is the answer. Okay, now we can go in to check the options, which is correct option comes here. So first v bar is minus 4c and u bar is 3a bar plus 4b bar plus 8c bar by 3. W bar is 4 by 3 c bar minus b bar. Okay, now u bar is, so what you get here, 3a bar plus 4b bar plus 8c bar. You can divide by 3, a bar plus 4 by 3 and 8 by 3. So that is, this is the B is the right answer. Check the answer what is given. B is the right answer for this case. Now go to next case. V bar is minus 4c. That is option C is the right answer. Next, W bar will be 4 by 3 into C minus B. So that is the D is the right answer. Okay, D is the answer for this case. Hope everyone clear.